The door is open. The wheel is gone. For the first time in your life, you are truly free. But as the sun sets over the forest, you realize one thing. Freedom is quiet, and it is cold. From the distance, you hear it. The familiar click-clack of the wheel. Back there, the cage was small, but the acorn was guaranteed. Out here, there are no promises, only possibilities. You hold your last acorn tight, but the wind is picking up. In the wild, things change fast. Prices rise, storms hit, and what you saved yesterday might not be enough to feed you tomorrow. Just as the cold begins to bite, you see a flicker of warmth. In the hollow of an ancient oak, someone is watching the storm with a calm you've never seen before. It is the elder. He doesn't have a wheel. He doesn't have a master. He looks at your single acorn and smiles. A good start, he says. But in this forest, a single acorn is a liability. You need a reserve. Saving isn't about hiding. It's about surviving the nights when the trees are bare. The forest doesn't give you a salary. It gives you opportunities. But you can't catch them with empty hands. Listen closely, my boy. Not every acorn is the same. Some are meant to fill your belly tonight, to keep you warm. But some are seeds. If you eat your seeds, you will never own the forest. You'll just be a guest in it. The first rule of the wild. Before you plant a garden, you must survive the storm. This is your winter reserve, kid. It is the only wall between you and the wheel. Without it, the first cold breeze will blow you right back to that cage. Now look at this one, my boy. This isn't just a meal, and it's not just a reserve. This is a worker. If you give it time and the right soil, this single acorn will do something you can never do alone. It will build a forest while you sleep. The storm has passed, but it won't be the last one. Remember, my boy, the cage offers a guaranteed meal, but the forest offers the entire world. Now that you have your reserve and your seeds, you are no longer a prisoner of the wheel. You are the owner of your time. He didn't know what lay ahead, but for the first time, he wasn't afraid. Because the forest is only scary when you don't know how to grow with it. His journey had just begun.